Welcome back to the Drama Experience. It's your boy Dim. As y'all can see probably in the title already, I know what day it is. It's February 14th, Valentine's Day, all right? It's Valentine's Day. I'm excited because I got some special plans for Tay tonight, and I can't wait. I can't wait. So, I got Khadijah, also known as Pep, who's helping me with this, and she's definitely one of the best event planners that anybody could ask for. Like, she is so dope. She did my birthday, she did our baby shower, she did Valentine's Day too. She helped me with Valentine's Day last year too. And she's gonna definitely do further events for us. Like, she's dope. She's one of the best. If anybody wanna get an event done, get it done by Khadijah. Pep Entertainment, she's the best. So she's gonna be helping me with my Valentine's Day today. What we got planned is this. I got a Airbnb set up for her to decorate. She's gonna decorate it with some flowers, candles, you know, make it real romantic, because we're gonna have dinner there. And I'm gonna have Chef Harley, which is one of my favorite chefs. If y'all haven't watched one of the videos, y'all can watch it. He showed us how to cook some meals. I love him, you know what I mean? He's one of my favorite chefs. So he's gonna come over and cook some great meals for us. But in the meantime, I need y'all to follow me on this journey because I gotta get some things done myself. Like, I'm always last minute. I know we all last minute men. We always last minute, you feel me? But it's fine, I'm gonna get it done. I feel like I'm always on here with no haircut, but whatever. I gotta get a haircut. Then I gotta go get her gift last minute. As y'all can see, I'm in a different car, which is not bad, but I gotta go get our car because about like 2.5 weeks ago, I was driving and my car got stuck on a railroad because I didn't see there was a railroad track when I was driving.
Okay.
So as you can see in the video, they had to pull it out, the railroad track, and my suspension got messed up when I fell into the railroad track. So I had to take it to Ben's and they had to fix it. Now I have to go get it because it's done on Valentine's Day. I don't know why today, but whatever, it's done. I'm gonna go get it anyways and then get ready for the night. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna catch you guys later. So look, change of plans. Remember I told you I had to get a haircut, but I had to secure the gift first. I'm gonna get the haircut later, but let's show them what we got so far. This is beautiful. Well, I am going to grab these two for Tay. You know, my brother's with me that's behind the camera right now. I'm gonna show you. He's getting these two for his wife. Beautiful, right? Well, thank you, Donna.
Thank you, Denbo.
Yeah, thank you, Donna. So, we finally got Tay's gift, right? We finally got her gift. One of my friends was there too, so we both went and got our wives something from Van Cleef, and I can't wait for Tay to see it. I know she's gonna love it. You see, I still gotta get a haircut. I gotta get dressed. Still waiting for my barber. He said 6:30, so I'm gonna handle some things before I get to him. I'm gonna head back home, get dressed. Tay's on her way home too to get ready, so can't wait. I'm gonna catch y'all guys after we get ready for tonight. So, finally, I am dressed and ready. See, I got the fresh cut. John never fails. And my Valentine's is here. Happy Valentine's Day, baby. Look, she looks beautiful, right?
Happy Valentine's Day.
I can't. What you think is going on tonight?
I don't know.
She still don't know. You just follow. You just follow.
I'm putting in my earrings.
I gotta change the color of this inside. Why is it green? I'm gonna change it
to red.
All right, so we in the mood. She's here. I'm ready. Now we on our way to our destination. All right. So catch our guys when we get there. We on our way. You ready?
Yes.
So we finally here. It's been a long day, y'all. Look at her.
Look at him.
No, look at you. But look, we here, and she still don't know what's gonna. She know we're gonna eat though.
Oh my god. This is nice. Hi.
We got Harley in the building.
Hi. Happy Valentine's Day.
Got Harley in the building. What's good, bro? Hey, Jen. How you feeling?
Oh, I'm so happy. This is so nice.
Alright, so we about to get into it. We about to get you some food.
Yes. I want to record.
We're gonna get back to it.
This is all my favorite foods.
Yep.
My Caesar salad, my oysters.
Got the oysters, the Caesar salad.
I don't know when I started loving Caesar salad, like the other day. Like 2 months ago.
Caesar salad?
Me too, like 2 years ago.
Caesar salad, like I just.
Yeah, I was like, nah, we gotta have the Caesar salad for the starters, man.
Right? Because
So,
I love Caesar salad.
I am starving, so we about to start munching on these. Thank you, Harley. Yes, sir. So, how you feeling?
I'm so happy.
Okay.
I'm overwhelmed. This is so beautiful.
All right, perfect. Let's get it. Let's get into the food now, man.
So we have gifts. You can take the blue bag first since you've been peeking at it already.
Right here?
Uh-huh.
That's crazy.
What is it, babe?
Yo, headphones? Is it headphones? Yes, it is.
It's the
For the
new
gym.
AirPods Max.
These joints look fire. It's crazy because you heard me talking about it. You pay attention.
So he's been complaining that he doesn't have headphones and the AirPods, the little ones, keep falling out his ears. So he doesn't have headphones.
Yeah, especially for the gym. That's what it's for.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So I look all over the world for AirPod Max.
These
and I'm
joints look
gonna
hard, I ain't gonna lie.
Mm-hmm.
This is my style.
Yeah, exactly.
My fault. I tell you, no way. What's this?
It's nice, right?
This is really nice.
It's really
Wait,
nice.
there's other stuff in here too.
Oh, yeah, they gave you more stuff. But
This is really nice. What's this? It smell. I can smell it through the.
there's a lot of scent happening there, babe.
It's too much, I think. I gotta open this one.
It's nice. But
Oh shoot! No, y'all gotta catch this.
this is a moment. One,
gotta catch
two.
this.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
This is hard. What's this? Whoa, wait.
They claim that they only get 5 of these a year. That's what they told me.
It don't matter if they get 1 or 5. This is fire. What? Nah. Nah, y'all gotta catch. Y'all gotta catch the light again. 1, 2,
3.
Bam!
Bam.
No.
It's so nice.
It is beautiful. Love
It's the
it.
Tiziana Terrazini anniversary collection, and this scent is Cabrini, I believe. Cabria.
Oh,
You like it?
I love it.
So this cologne is extract.
Oh, it's an extract.
Yes, and it's
So-
extract.
No wonder.
Yes.
No way. Oh, nah. I got a new favorite already. And I got mad cologne. So this is a new favorite already. Thank you, babe. I love you. Thank
I love you. I couldn't
Yeah.
wait no more.
I know you like over here,
I'll
over here.
put it.
Nah, this is fire.
Whatever's in here is huge.
Yeah, I know. They just, you know, it's Valentine's Day. They're gonna make it extra. Okay.
Okay.
This is what you might need to cash. Nah, this is just a Valentine's Day packaging.
Wow. I love dessert.
Oh, they got candy and stuff in there? I don't know what was in there. Cookies, candy.
All right now, sucky. Oh, we're gonna open this. I'm gonna put these ladies here. A book.
Oh, that's like the certificate and stuff like that.
Oh, this is so cool. My necklace.
Yes. I remember you were saying that you wanted a necklace.
Exactly,
But
like Air Day.
yeah.
I be rocking that thing.
So now you got your everyday necklace right there.
I got my everyday necklace and a bracelet.
And a bracelet.
Oh, I was saying, oh, babe.
Yes.
Like how you got me my David Yurman one.
Exactly. That's what made me think about it. And I saw one that was perfect. I said, nah, I gotta get this one. I like the necklace.
I love this.
You gotta get into the food still. Still waiting for the entrees.
We having branzino, guys.
Yes. Okay, and the food is here. Yes, sir.
Ooh, thank you. Now that looks good.
That looks good.
With good lemon sauce on top.
Mm-hmm.
We got spicy rigatoni.
Yep. You got
After
some.
this,
This is the exclusive
y'all
menu.
might really like. After this,
That's it. We're done.
the sauce going in the bottom. Like,
He said after this we might just be done. We might be done. I can't wait. Now I'm ready to chow. Yeah, let's ready to chow. Let's.
Listen, we got the premium menu, okay?
Let's. So the day has ended. We are done. I am full. She's tired. I'm tired. I had a great day.
It was beautiful.
It was beautiful.
Yes, it was absolutely beautiful.
Y'all saw my gifts. That cologne though,
It's OD.
is OD.
We're gonna test those headphones out when we get home.
Oh yeah.
And then I can put on my necklace and things.
Like you said, man, thank you guys for tuning in. Happy Valentine's Day to everybody.
Happy Valentine's Day. We love you.
We love y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in once again. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. We catch y'all guys next time.